Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. In Mathematics Challenge, let us do some geometry problem. Look at this figure. It's a square and it is split in four different triangles. Can you find the area of a green shaded triangle? Here, the red shaded triangle is given as this. Suppose it's a 16, it's 8, in between it's a 90 degree. It's a perpendicular. How to find the area of green shaded triangle. Look at here. Area of red. We can find area of red triangle is half base height. It is base height is 16. We call 64 square unit. Now the side of the square. Here, the side of the square. How to find? Look at here. Side of the square is the square root of this Pythagoras, which is equal square root of 16 square plus 8 square, which is equal to 256 plus 64 square root of 320. Square root of 320 can be written as 8 root 5. We got here. Now, side of the square we got it. Look at here. Here, area of these two squares, that is red square, area of the triangle of red triangle and green triangle is the ratio of its height. Look at this one. This one is, put it h. This height per altitude of the green triangle is, so side is 8 root 5, h 8 root 5 minus h. Why? Because this total, the side is 8 root 5, here h gone, so it's 8 root 5 minus h. So we got two altitude of the opposite triangles. Now, area of red triangle over area of green triangle. That means ratio of area of red triangle over area of green triangle is in terms of the ratio of its height. H over 8 root 5 minus h, because area of this altitudes. Now, area of red triangle is we know that it's a 64 over area of green triangle equal h over 8 root 5 minus h. Now, let it be its relation 1, equation 1. Now, we know that in any square or rectangle, if you put any point inside the square and joining from the point to the corner of the squares, then sum of area of the opposite triangle is equal to sum of other opposite triangle. Therefore, we can say sum of opposite the area of the opposite triangle is equal to half of the area of the square. Now sum of area of opposite triangles is equal half of area of square. Now by this relation we can write sum of red triangle is 64 plus sum of area of green triangle is half base height half into 8 root 5 into 8 root 5 minus h altitude, which is equal half of area of square. Area of square is 8 root 5 side square. So by using this relation, now by using this, look at here, half into 8 root 5, 8 root 5 minus h equal half into 8 root 5 square minus 64. 8 cut as 4 root 5, 8 root 5 minus h equal half into 8 root 5 whole square is 320 minus 64. So here 4 root 5, 8 root 5 minus h equal 320 divided by 2 is 160 minus 64, which is equal 96. Therefore 8 root 5 minus h equal 96 over 4 root 5, which is equal 96 divided by 4 is 24 over root 5. Then further rationalizing denominator, multiply root 5 over root 5 up and down, which is equal 24 root 5 over 5. Here which is 8 root 5 minus h. From this h equal 8 root 5 minus 24 root 5 over 5. Now further, which is equal 8 into 4 is 40 root 5 minus 24 root 5 over 5, which is equal 40 minus 24 is 16 root 5 by 5. Now so here, sorry, here root 5. Here 8 root 5, 8 root 5 minus h equal 8 root 5 minus h equal 96. 8 root 5 minus 8 root 5 minus h is 96 over 4 root 5, which is equal 24 over root 5. H equal 8 root 5 minus 24. 8 root 5, 8 root 5 minus 6 equal to 24. Or 8 root 5 minus h equal 96 over 4 root 5. Then 96 divided by 4 is 24 by root 5. Then h equal 24 root 5 by 5. From this we got h equal 8 root 5 minus 24 over 4 root 5. Now further this is equal root 5 common, it's a 40 minus 24, which is equal 16 over root 5. So we got 8. Then further this h equal 16 root 5, rationalizing root 5 was 16 root 5 over 5. Now we know that already area of red triangle over area of green triangle equal 16 root 5 over 5 over green triangle. Area of a triangle, this is area ratio of these two opposite triangle is equal to plus the ratio of its height, h over 8 root 5 by h. Already we showed this. Now we are putting the values. 64 over green, area of green triangle equal h is 16 root 5 over 5 over 8 root 5 minus h. So by cross multiplying and simplifying we get area of green equal 64 into 40 root 5 minus 16 root 5 over 16 root 5. Then that means we are taking by simplifying these things we get this one, which is equal 64. 40 root 5 minus 16 root 5 is 24 over 16 root 5. This common cut as well as which is equal 96. Now area of green. Area of green equal to 96. We got. Now area of now we can find in the ratio also area of red over area of green. Area of red over area of green equal 64 over 96, which is equal 2 over 3. Now, so far we discussed a nice problem. In that, look at here, full square is given. In that, a square is given. In that, any point, take any point on this inside the square and drawn a square. That means that given two perpendicular lines cut here, and this is 90 degrees, 16 and 8 is given. Through this, only through this numbers that is given the dimension 16 and the base is 8. From that we found area of opposite triangle. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.